high-precision machining and measurement applications require freely levitating samples or stages to minimize the influence of environmental vibrations. State-of-the-art gravity compensation systems are designed for static operation and predefined load masses.
Konventionelle Vibrationisolationssysteme sind entweder passiv, diese Systeme sind oft relativ groß und benötigen spezielle Infrastruktur, oder aktiv, wobei diese Systeme durch die aktive Nachführung und zur statischen Haltung der Lastmassen relativ hohen Strom- und Energieverbrauch haben.
Passive systems are typically bulky and require significant infrastructure expenditures, such as compressed air supplies, or rely on passive permanent magnetic assemblies. Active systems with adjustable levitation currents provide more flexibility, but they have a high static energy consumption due to offset currents, especially in the case of large masses.
Die Verwendung elektromagnetischer Aktuatoren ermöglicht zusätzlich die Konstruktion kompakter Lagerungssysteme, wie sie für zahlreiche mess- und fertigungstechnische Anwendungen erforderlich sind.
The use of electromagnetic actuators also enables systems with more compact dimensions, which are essential for various measurement and machining applications.
Wir haben eine Technologie entwickelt, die das Beste aus den beiden Welten der aktiven und passiven Systeme miteinander vereint. Sie liefert die Grundlage für moderne Gravitationkompensationssysteme, die sowohl adaptiv hinsichtlich der Zuladung sind, als auch null statischen Energieverbrauch haben.
We've developed a technology that enables high-tech gravity compensation systems that are combining the best of both worlds. They're compact and adaptive with respect to varying effective load masses, while having zero static power consumption.
Der Kern der Erfindung ist ein Electropermanent-Magnet, welcher von einer Magnetisierungsspule umschlungen ist.
The core of the invention is centered around an electropermanent magnet, which is obtained from the combination of hard and soft magnetic material surrounded by a magnetizing coil. By means of current pulses applied to the magnetizing coil, the magnetic flux of the soft magnetic material is modified. The sum of both magnetic fluxes determines the external magnetic field, making it, and thus the force, seamlessly tunable. A Lorentz actuator is used to stabilize the mover and to generate a compensation quality indicator via its offset current, which is used as feedback for optimal tuning of the electropermanent magnet. This invention enables efficient electromagnetic actuators with integrated gravity compensation for variable masses, which are essential for high-precision applications such as high-tech tabletop systems for active vibration isolation.